Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts, the stand bottom cover, the fan, the M.2 solid-state drive if it's installed, the speaker mesh, the stand arm cover, the stand arm, the display assembly rear cover, and the Scalar board shield. Removal. Peel back the retention tape that covers the connectors attached to the Scalar board. Important. Make careful note of the placement of the retention tape, as you have to replace the retention tape in the same position when you reattach the connectors to the Scalar board. Remove all connectors from the Scalar board. Carefully lift the Scalar board up and pull it out, at an angle, from under the tabs and off of the display panel assembly. Replacement. Position the Scalar board at an angle, slide it under the tabs, and press the board into place on the display panel assembly, clearing connectors away from the sides of the Scalar board. Reattach all connectors to the Scalar board. Replace the retention tape over the connectors attached to the Scalar board.